Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody is fine and enjoying your wonderful day. So, as you all know, we are discussing about the election and party system in India. In that, the nature of the political party system. So, in the previous section, I have already discussed about how political parties are necessary in building and formation of the government. And political party is the group of people come together to get the political power through democratic methods. So, the concept of political party was very old, and it was introduced during the freedom movement, and Indian National Congress was formed by W sorry A.O. Hume in the year 1985. Later on, many other parties like Communist Party of India, Socialist Party, Muslim League, and other were developed to get the power and rule the country. So, in today's class, we are going to study what is the nature of the political party system. In that first one, it is the extra constitutional growth. There is no reference in the Constitution of India about how many political parties should be there in a country. But according to Article 19 of the Constitution, every citizen have a freedom to form a association or union. Basis of these, the political parties were uh, established. Second one, prevalence of multi-party system. As you all know, India is a different country. It has a different culture, people, religion, language. In order to fulfill their own needs and demands, the political various kinds of political party came into existence. Now, point number 3, split and merger. It is a common phenomena in Indian system due to various reasons. Political parties are always subjected to the split and merger. Split in sense of ideological difference, egoism, and hunger for power, etc. are the some of the basic reasons for split and merger. Next, point number 4, defection. Elected member in the legislative assembly, what he will do is he will without resigning the first party, he will join the another party and enjoy the power there. This is called defection. Why he will do like this, or it is always because of in order to get personal benefits, or due to difference of opinion, and it always renews the value of democracy and destabilize the government. Next, leader worship. What happens in countries like India? People are too addicted to the political personality. Most of political parties in India emphasize on the leader more than ideology of the parties. The destiny of parties always decided by the uh, leader. For example, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and now currently Narendra Modi. Next point number 5. Alliance without principles. This means political parties are formed on the basis of the democracy and secularism, but sometimes what happens, they will ignore that principle and secularism in order to get the power, and they will always get entered into unholy alliance. Next point number 8. Dominance of regional party. Here what happens, the presence of regional parties during the first general election did not influence the voters, hence they were rejected. During 1980s, many strong parties were dominated the political scenario, like DMK and Telangana, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇವಸಂ ಸೇವಾ ಸೇನಾ, National Congress, and others. They play a significant role during the formation of the government. Next one is era of coalition. Here, what happens when the party fails to get the two-thirds of majority, more than one party come together, they will form the alliance and they will elect the member according to their idea, and they will form a coalition government based on this. Last point, leftist and rightist party. So the party system in India consists of leftist and rightist ideology, like CPI, CPIM, Forward Bloc, RPI, socialist parties who have belief in revolutionary ideologies are important for the changes, but some parties like Congress, BJP, and others believe moderate changes in the system are necessary. So, this is all about, almost, I guess there are 10 points. This is all about the nature of the political party system. I hope you have liked the today's section. If you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. I will definitely clear your all doubts in my upcoming section. Please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting topics in the upcoming section. Till then, stay safe, take care, and be happy.